Are you looking for best cordless car vacuum cleaner? In this video, we will look at the top 5 best cordless car vacuum cleaner. Number 1. Xiaomi Mijia Cordless Car Vacuum Cleaner, High Suction Power. With a suction power of 13,000 pascals, this vacuum cleaner can easily remove dust and dirt from your car or home. Wireless operation. The wireless design of this vacuum cleaner makes it easy to use and maneuver, allowing you to clean hard-to-reach areas. Cyclone suction. The cyclone suction feature ensures that the vacuum cleaner can effectively remove dust and dirt from all surfaces, including carpets and upholstery. Lightweight and portable. Weighing only a few kilograms, this vacuum cleaner is easy to carry and store, making it perfect for use at home or on the go. Orders. Reviews. Rating. Price. Price may be changed at any time. Number 2. Baseus Mini Car Vacuum Cleaner, Smart Chip, Battery Safety Protection, 2-in-1 Nozzle, quickly switch to different scenarios, 75 degrees Celsius high temperature resistance, and not afraid of exposure to the sun, 200 liters per minute large air flowing, high efficiency suction wireless portable, one-click dust empty, extremely cost-effective. Orders. Reviews. Rating. Price. Price may be changed at any time. Number 3. OEMG Wireless Car Vacuum Cleaner. This vacuum cleaner uses a smart chip with a child lock function. The switch will not open when tapped to prevent children from accidentally touching it. Orders. Reviews. Rating. Price. Price may be changed at any time. Number 4. Baseus AP02 Wireless Car Vacuum. Baseus AP02 Car Home Vacuum Cleaner is equipped with powerful roller brush, which has continuous strong suction, ensuring long-lasting and excellent vacuuming performance and avoiding inefficient cleaning. 1,000 milliliters large capacity. A good choice of household handheld vacuum cleaner. More portable, lighter, specially designed electric rubber roller brush clean adhesive hair efficiently and does not tangle hair. Specific uses: pet hair, carpet, bedclothes, car upholstery, trunk. Orders. Reviews. Rating. Price. Price may be changed at any time. Number 5. SZUK Portable Car Vacuum Cleaner. SZUK Wireless Handheld Cleaning Machine Strong Suction Portable Vacuum Cleaner for car and home. Orders. Reviews. Rating. Price. Price may be changed at any time.